Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be staining our project. Now that our project has been fully assembled and we have sanded all of the faces and edges of it, we're ready to put stain on. Now I'm going to start on one of the legs, and what I'm going to do to stain it is just take an old rag and apply the stain. And I'm going to do this fairly quickly and then wipe it off right away. Now the reason I'm doing that and not letting the stain sit on there longer is because other furniture in the same room is a little bit lighter of a golden oak. So if I don't let that stain soak in as long and I wipe it off right away, then it's going to leave that just a little bit lighter so it'll match the furniture in the other room a little bit better. On our tabletop, I'm going to use the same procedures. I'm going to put some stain on and wipe it off right away. And I'm just going to kind of work in sections. The nice thing about working with oak is it's very forgiving. So if you mess up a little bit on the stain, it's very easy to correct.